Hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about drugs and the kind of drugs. So let's start with the definition of the drugs. Basically, drugs are the chemicals used for the treatment of diseases and reducing pain, and they are known as medicines or drugs. Here you can see various drugs. Now the first one is antiseptics. Antiseptic drugs prevent the growth of microorganisms or kill them, but not harmful for the living tissues. And Dettol is the best example of the antiseptics. Let's move on to the next. Antipyretics. Antipyretic drugs used for the bringing down the temperature of the human bodies in high fever. The best example of this drug is paracetamol, everybody knows. Third one is the tranquilizers, and tranquilizers are used for the cure of the mental diseases, are known as the tranquilizers, and these are reduces anxiety and tensions and act as a high central of the nervous system. And tranquilizers also called psychotherapeutical drugs. And the fourth one is analgesic. Analgesic used for relieving pain. One of the best examples is aspirin. Aspirin is the analgesic, and analgesics are of two types: narcotics, non-narcotics. And narcotics produce sleep and unconsciousness, and non-narcotics just opposite of narcotics. Now the fifth one is anesthetic. Anesthetic drugs produces loss of sensation, and the cyclopropane is the example of the anesthetic drugs. Next one is sulfur drugs. Sulfur drugs used in the place of antibiotics, and sulfur drugs inhibits the growth of the microorganisms. Sulfadiazine is the best example of the sulfur drugs. The next one is anti-malarial, as the name suggests, anti, and these are the used for the treatment of the malaria. Chloroquine, paraquine are the examples of anti-malarial drugs. The next one is sedatives, and the sedative suppresses the activities of the central nervous system. Barbiturates is the example of sedatives. Now the next one is antidepressant drugs. These drugs are very useful nowadays. Antidepressant produce a feeling of well-being and confidence in the person of depressed mood. Antidepressant is also called mood booster drug. This is the antimicrobial. Antimicrobials used for cure infections due to microorganisms, and they may be antibiotics such as tetracycline, penicillin. Now the next one is anti-fertility. Anti-fertility used to control the pregnancy. Progesterone or estrogen. Steroids are commonly used in the anti-fertility drug. And the last one is antihistamine. Antihistamine abolish the main action of histamine, and this prevent the allergy. So finally you can see the classification of drugs. Okay, these are all the type of drugs. See, thank you so much for watching this. Bye guys.